Hey y'all, I'm outside and I'm walking to get some exercise and to relax my brain. Um, Walking is so good and the weather is really nice. It's cloudy. Right now the sun is setting. I wanted to walk earlier this morning to get the exercise, but just couldn't get myself together early enough this morning, so I just waited till the afternoon and then turned into evening. But better to get it in late than never. It's still not too late. Sun's out a little bit, so I can still see. It's not too dark. And I just wanted to share that walking is so good. Good for the body, good for the mind, good for the brain, good for the heart. Got my walking shoes on. See? My pink shoes go with my dress. And it feels so good to be out here. So I just want to encourage you all to exercise. It's not about weight, it's about health. All right, bye.